Click subscribe for update video every day.
The question of how to share a song still eludes many of us. So much so that is banking on a social sharing feature itself developed to drive sales of its new $299 smart headphones. In addition to sharing songs to Twitter or Facebook directly from the headphones, you can also use one of 4 customizable buttons to favorite a song, answer incoming calls, or share music via email or text message. While the Muzik headphones sound good enough, the real question is whether these feature-rich cans provide a social-centric experience worth a premium price. Upon opening the Muzik headphone S box, the company greets you with a quote from Plato. Music gives a sound to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Indeed, Music is good stuff, but if that is supposed to get us more excited about our pending headphone experience, it's going to take more than Play-Doh. Thanks, though. The Muzik headphones come pre-packed in a compact, zippered case fashioned of sturdy silicone rubber, the stuff you imagine Batman as suspiciously fake-looking apps are made of. Taking the headphones out, you can't help but notice they are heavy. This indicates solid build quality. Sure, but how will all that weight feel on your head after an hour? In the case with the headphones, we found a USB charging cable and standard 3.5mm headphone cable that can be used in case of dead battery. A product manual and quick start guide will get you set up, but most of the operational instructions are also located inside the Muzik headphones mobile app. The software is a key part of Muzik's pitch. You'll need to download Muzik's free app, and coming soon to XA0 Android, to customize the headphones and control additional features. Those control features take the form of 4 capacitive touch buttons marked by concave circles on the right e-cup. From the app, you can set any button to share the song you're currently listening to via text, email, tweet, or Facebook status. You can also set any button to add the playing song to favorites, or speed dial any of your contacts. Swiping on the air cup will control volume and skip tracks. Up and down motions control the volume, while left and right skip tracks forward and back. The 4 identical circles can be a little hard to identify.